we will do the derivation of centroid of triangle. First of all, we should know what is centroid of a triangle. If suppose I'm having a triangle ABC, let this triangle is A, B and C. So centroid means where all three medians intersect each other. Medians means a line which divides this side in two equal parts. At midpoint, if this line cuts this BC at midpoint, that is the median of the triangle. And where the all three medians intersect, they will definitely pass through a single point, and that point is known as centroid of the triangle. And we'll have to find out the coordinates of the centroid of triangle today if we know all three vertices of the triangle. So let us suppose here that there is a triangle with the coordinates. Let the triangle is A and the coordinates of A are x1, y1. B and the coordinates are x2, y2. C and the coordinates are x3, y3. So for this triangle we have to find out the coordinates of centroid. So let us suppose again that AD is the median and G is the centroid of the triangle. One more property you should know for getting the coordinates of centroid, that centroid of a triangle divides the median in ratio 2:1. It's a property of centroid and you should know it, that centroid of a triangle divides the median in the ratio 2:1. So here in triangle ABC, AD is the median and G is the centroid of the triangle, and it divides AD in ratio what? 2:1. Right? So now we'll have to find out the coordinates of the centroid. First we'll have to find out the coordinates of this point D, because D is the midpoint of BC. So by midpoint formula I can get the value, the coordinates of point D. D as, we can write it as, D is the midpoint of what? BC. So by midpoint formula, what is the midpoint formula? The midpoint formula is x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. So by midpoint formula, the coordinates of D will be they are x2 plus x3, x2 plus x3 by 2 and y2 plus y3 by 2. So these are the coordinates of point D. Now I have to find out the value of the coordinates of G point. I have the coordinates of A as well as D now, and the ratio also. So if I am having the ratio and the coordinates of the end point, so which formula I can apply for getting the value of G? I can apply the formula of the section formula I can apply. So by section formula, the coordinates of G R. Now apply the section formula, 2 into this one. So 2 into x2 plus x3 by 2 and plus 1 into x1, that is x1, and divide by 2 plus 1, that is 3. Now, similarly, we can apply this for the coordinate of y. 2 into y2 plus y3 by 2 and 1 into y1, that means y1, and it should be divided by 1 plus 2, that means 3. Okay, so it should be like two and 2 cancel out each other, so it is now x2 plus x3 plus x1 by 3, and similarly these 2 cancel out each other and it will be y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. Now from ahead you have to learn this formula. If you know the coordinates of the vertices of triangle, if you have all 3 vertices of triangle, you can find out the centroid of the triangle by using this formula, and the formula is x2 plus x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3, right? So this is the formula for getting the centroid of triangle.